Okay, now the exercise, what actually we need to do, we need to create a painter applications. This is application, this is not applet. And we are going to use here MouseDragged event handler. And to create a simple drawing program. Okay, look at here. The user can draw picture with the mouse by dragging the mouse on the background of the window. You look at here. Okay, so here we use the class mouseMove, mouseDrag, and then we can actually draw a freehand drawing like this. All right, so let's move to the code. So this is the painter class. So first of all, we go and run first, right? We run, let's come here. You see the output from the previous one is there. So, okay, I close this one, I cleared this one first. Then, since this is Java class, so we can directly run using the Java command, Java painter, right? Painter. Okay, so we can directly get the output from here. Okay, so now we look at the code and the output. All right, so now we first of all we need to import the our packages. So here we use the Java X, the swing package, Java AWT event package, and also Java AWT. And then we create the class. Call the class name is painter class. If you look at here, painter class extends from JFrame. So now the JFrame basically is the parent class of the painter class, JFrame. And also we use the interface mouse motion listener. That means we want to drag down the motion of the mouse, right? And we want to paint, or we want to print the location of the mouse. We change the location, right? So here, that's why we use the implements. Implements, the interface name is mouse motion listener. Okay, now come to the next is the, we define the variable integer x value, initial value is -10. It can be any value we can put because the value will be later on override. So the y value, initial value, we put -10. Okay, now here we declare the level L, new level, drag the mouse to draw. That means initial value we define is the string type value, drag the mouse to draw, right? Drag the mouse to draw, you can see here, drag the mouse to draw, right? Then here we come, here to create the painter method. Okay, painter method, super. Once you use the super keyword, that means it's linked with the super class. Who is the super class here? JFrame. So now we take the component from the JFrame, that means a simple paint program. You look at here, the simple paint program, the title of this JFrame, they take from the JFrame. This is the parent class. Okay, you understand, right? So it comes from the parent class. Now next command is get content paint. So basically this function will allow you to place your label in the border layout. Okay, so we use the command get content paint dot add. Then we use the add, then the label L, right? Which label? Drag mouse to draw. Where? Border layout. The location of the border layout is this is the south location. If you look at here, the south location of the border layout, we put the label, drag the mouse to draw. Okay, done. This one. Now we have to register the mouse, so we need to use the add mouse motion listener interface. Then pass the this pointer. Then size of this window 325, 300 width and the 250, 300 and 250. This is the width and the height. Then set visible true, so display the output here inside the window. All right. Now come to the function mouseDrag. Okay, so this function basically is find out the each of the mouse drag location. Okay, through the mouse event object of the class mouse event E. Okay, so now x value, initial value of the mouse, x value is -10, right? So now equal e dot get x. So once we click here, so that means this get the value. Now you see moving the all these points will be, you know, it will get x location and the y location value. Y value will be y value will be e dot get y. Then repaint and display. Once you click, you got the xy location and then paint. So repaint the location. That's why we see the lines. That means there are so many points is here, right? Okay, now come to here, public void mouse moved, and then we draw. How actually you draw this, you know, the graphics. So if you look at this function, the paint function basically help to draw the, you know, this freehand drawing through the each of the point, right? The graphics G, the object G dot fill oval. Okay, fill oval. That means each of the point is oval shape. You look at here, oval. So each of the point is oval shape. All right. So oval shape. How to draw the oval shape? You already know this one, that we need the location. Which location? The x coordinate value and y coordinate value. Then width and the height. So width and the height is the, you see, 4 by 4. 4 pixels width and the 4 pixels. That's why you can see here the pixel size is 4 by 4. That means the oval shape will be 4 by 4. Okay. Then we create the public static void main string argument. Then we create the object of the paint class. Then once you create the object of the paint class, then it will call the constructor and it will do all these things. Okay. Now, if you want to change the shape of the fill oval, for example, this is 4 by 4. So I want to make it 1 by 1 and see how it looks like. And I want to, by default, this color is black color. Draw the black color. So I want to set color. I want to set the color. Color dot, for example, red. Okay, color dot red. I save this one. Then I'm going to compile again. Java C star.java. Let's see what happened. Okay, semicolon. Sorry. Check what happened. OE Lab10. Okay, Java C start.java. Yes, should be okay. Java painter. Yeah, I did compile. That's why. All right, now you look at here, because we have two things we have changed here. One is the color is the red color, so you can look at red color, and the size of the, you know, the each of the point fill oval is 1, 1. The width is 1, width is 1. So you see here, you change the, you know, the size of the each of the oval. That's why you see this is the different drawings, right? So the color, you can change the color, different color based on the what color you want. Okay, so I hope you understand the concept of actually the how you can use the paint class and how you can use the mouse motion listener interface. And once you drag the mouse, so it will draw like the freehand drawing. Okay, I hope you understand this concept.